Welcome, my friend. Before we begin, take a slow breath. This story moves gently, just like time itself. Days often feel slow when we live inside them, but when we look back, years disappear quietly. Time does not speak loudly, yet it teaches the deepest lessons. It walks forward without stopping, carrying moments, chances, and changes with it. Many people live each day without noticing how quickly time moves. As you listen, allow the story to stay with you. Let it open your eyes to the moments that are still here. Lesson 1. Time begins every day. Every day starts the same way. Morning arrives without delay. Light enters the world, shadows move, and time begins its journey again. It does not ask who is ready and who is tired. It does not care about plans or moods. Time starts anyway. Some days feel full of hope, while others feel heavy and slow. But time treats all days equally. Each day arrives with the same number of hours. What happens inside those hours depends on how they are used. When the day begins, time opens its path and walks forward quietly. Lesson 2. Moments build a life. A single moment feels small. It feels too short to matter. Many moments pass unnoticed, standing in silence, waiting, thinking, or doing nothing at all. But moments do not stay alone. They connect to each other slowly. One moment becomes another, and soon they form an hour. Hours join together and become a day. Days grow into months, and months turn into years. A life is built from moments that once seemed unimportant. When moments are respected, life feels full. When moments are ignored, life feels empty. Time gives moments freely, but it does not explain their value. Lesson 3. The comfort of delay. Delay feels safe. It feels easy to say something will be done later. Learning can wait. Change can wait. Improvement can wait. Later feels like a gentle promise that brings comfort. But while later is spoken, time keeps moving. It never slows down for delay. What is postponed today often becomes forgotten tomorrow. Time does not return to remind anyone of unfinished plans. It simply continues forward. Delay slowly steals opportunity, not because time is cruel, but because it is honest. Lesson 4. Quiet passing of days. Days do not leave loudly. They do not knock before going. They leave softly, one after another. Many days look similar. The same places, the same routines, the same habits. Because of this, days are often overlooked. But each day holds something different. A chance to learn, to improve, or to understand something new. When attention is missing, days disappear unnoticed. Weeks pass quickly, then months follow. Time does not rush days away. It lets them slip by gently, trusting that their value will be realized someday. Lesson 5. Habits shape the future. Time itself has no direction. It only moves forward. Direction comes from habits. Small actions repeated daily slowly shape the future. Reading a little every day builds understanding. Practicing something often builds confidence. Kind actions repeated over time build strong character. But careless habits also grow. Time does not choose sides. It strengthens whatever is repeated. What feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. The future is not built in one big moment. It is built quietly, through daily habits that time faithfully follows. Lesson 6. Busy hours can feel empty. Busy days feel important. Movement fills the hours, and activity fills the mind. But not all busy time has meaning. Many hours are spent doing things without focus or care. Time passes, but nothing truly changes. When days are full but the heart feels empty, it means time was used without intention. Meaning comes from attention, not speed. When time is used with purpose, even small actions feel valuable. When time is filled only with noise, even long days feel wasted. Lesson 7. Time never returns. Once time passes, it never comes back. There is no way to stop it or turn it around. Missed moments remain in the past. Lost chances stay behind forever. Time does not keep copies of itself. Each second is unique. This truth can feel painful, but it is also powerful. It teaches care and awareness. When this lesson is understood, moments are treated with respect. Time does not punish mistakes. It simply continues, leaving lessons behind for those who are willing to learn. Lesson 8. Slow growth is still growth. Change does not arrive suddenly. It grows slowly, quietly, and patiently. At first, nothing feels different. Days feel the same. Effort feels small and invisible. But time is always working in the background. Learning improves quietly. Strength builds silently. Confidence grows little by little. One day, the change becomes clear. Time trusts small effort repeated often. It does not rush growth. It builds results gently, step by step, without noise or warning. Lesson 9. Listening to the past. The past lives in memory. It cannot be touched, but it can be understood. Time leaves lessons behind through experiences. Some memories bring warmth, some bring regret. But all memories carry meaning. Looking back is not meant for sadness. It is meant for learning. When the past is understood, it helps guide better choices now. Time does not ask for guilt. It asks for wisdom. Those who listen to the past walk more clearly into the future. Lesson 10. The power of now. The present moment is the only place where action exists. Yesterday is finished and cannot be changed. Tomorrow has not arrived and cannot be controlled. Now is alive. Time gives the present freely, but only for a short while. When the present is ignored, time feels wasted. When the present is respected, time feels rich. Small actions taken now shape the future slowly. Time does not ask for perfection. It asks for presence, attention, and care. Final reflection. Time does not come back. It never pauses. It never explains itself. But it gives one gift again and again, the present moment. When this gift is used wisely, life feels meaningful. When it is ignored, time feels lost. Listen carefully. This moment is still here. Use it well.